Hi, thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I really appreciate it. I'm an esthetician, certified holistic nutritionist, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an HCQ natural recipe from your kitchen. So before I begin, please like and share this video, and I would love to hear from you, so leave me a comment. Okay, so let's get started. My daughter sent me this information and she said, let's try this. And so this is from someone who studies pharmacology, and he has come up with a natural whole food remedy that is very cute, very close to the HCQ. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 3 organic grapefruit. And you want to make sure they're organic, because otherwise you can get some toxins from the peel from the pesticides. So you want to make sure they're organic. You're going to peel them, and you're going to use just the rind, and you're going to put that into a pot of water. Make sure that the water is about 3 inches above all the peeling, so quite a bit of water. And then cover it, bring it to a boil, and simmer it for 2 hours. Don't lift the lid the entire time. Then, after the 2 hours, turn the stove off, let it cool completely, and then you can take and use just the water and strain it into a container. And you can taste it. If you can tolerate the taste, fine. If not, you can put stevia or honey in it to taste. And now you're going to take 1 tablespoon of it about every 2 hours. Now this is going to last you probably a day, day and a half, something like that. So what is it going to do for you? It's going to help boost your immunity. It's going to plump up your skin. It's going to decrease your appetite and detox your body. So this is recommended to do once a week, so pretty easy. When you do your weekly grocery shopping, just grab a couple of 3 organic grapefruit, and this is something you can do, something positive for your health. And I will leave this recipe in the description box along with the Younger Lift skincare, so that you can take a look at my website about that, and I will see you next time.